Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play co-op in Risk of Rain 2. First, navigate to the main menu and select the multiplayer option. This is your gateway to playing with others. From there, you'll have two primary choices: either host a new game yourself or join a friend's existing session. Both options are straightforward, allowing you to quickly team up and dive into the action. To host a private match, simply select Host Game and then choose the private option. This ensures only invited players can join your session. Before launching, you can customize various game settings, such as difficulty and any desired artifacts. Once your lobby is set up, invite your friends directly using your platform's built-in friend system or by sharing a unique invite code. Joining a friend's game is quite simple. The easiest way is to accept an invitation directly from them, which will seamlessly place you into their active session. If you prefer, you can also use the Join Game option to browse public lobbies, though for friends, an invite is usually best. For private games without an invite, your friend can provide a specific lobby code for you to enter, ensuring a smooth connection. When playing co-op, teamwork is absolutely essential for survival. Coordinate with your teammates on item distribution and target prioritization. Remember that enemy difficulty scales with the number of players, so communication is key to overcoming tougher challenges. Work together, revive fallen allies, and strategize to conquer the planet and defeat its formidable bosses, aiming for victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.